today I'm going to be showing you a slime. Here's no slime, and I'm going to show you the life cycle of a slime. I think I'm trying to do this. First, it started in this container. This little container. This little one that my friend gave me. Because this is how my slime started. And then it came out in this big container. And now no more bigger containers. So, and then I had to put them in these little containers. In this one. And now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do is I have used the lotion stuff. Here's this one. I'm going to add some spray to mess it up. It's going to be so it's only going to be slime. I'm going to show you. It's not even going to be slime. Okay, it's not going to even be slime. After this, if I use a belly, because I tried to put it on my other stuff, then I had to put it on my third way because it got too sticky, and it actually became so moist. I sent it at you, and let's see it guys. Comment down below if I'm pranking you or not. But I'm gonna tell you at the end if I'm pranking you or not. So I'm just trying to miss. It's already going to get sticky. It's already missing up. It's already not much. It's missing up. And I can see. So I'm just trying to mess up. And it's going to off me. And this fixes it. Guys, really comment down below if you and y'all get bigger slime. So I'm trying to get to actually not 1 million because I am trying to get to 20 subscribers. Try. So guys, since I pranked you, it stays the same. In my phone system because I use a phone because I don't have a camera, so I'm gonna start using the camera. And when my phone falls, I'm not gonna film it. And I can't even pause the recording. Like, if something is too long, and I try to pause it, so you would think it's super fast. And I just told it to see. I'm gonna give you this here. Okay. This is horrible. Where is this one? And now there's some lotion in here. I used half of it on this. That's why it's like this. There it is. Got to be here. It's a little bit. So I'm going to get too sticky. Okay. Now sorry guys. Got it. I'm going to use this to start up boba tea. Wait, right there to start up. And I'm going to put this back because it's going to try to show you this. Because I'm trying to be a vegetarian. But not for the in life. I want to be a singer. Comment down below if you want to be a singer. Great. So, and I am here by myself. I need to shoot for you guys. And go subscribe to my BFF Galaxy. It's not a real name. I can't tell you. It's a real name. Keep on doing this secret. Like every other person would do. Keep the idea to the secret until you go to our chat. is just Galaxy, Star Galaxy X3X's. 3X. It's just a bit Star Galaxy 3X's. And then, I don't know, my other friend. Well, actually, she's not. Well, yeah, I have another friend. I don't know if she still goes to high school or not because I haven't seen her yet. But it's a Monday, like I want to see her, right? Because she's not in my class. She's in a different classroom, so I barely see her unless she's in my classroom and switch classes. We have to make a whole group, and I'm in the other group. So guys, I'm upset. The group I'm in, but I am in the group of good person. Yeah, guys, this is my slime. It doesn't make balls or nothing, just fine slime. Oh my god, I'm about to give it a whipping. Oh, by the way, guys, I have a cat, but she is not gonna ever be in any of my videos until like next year or something. Because if we move, I'm gonna introduce my kids and me, and like she'll be. And I actually just threw it as a pencil shape because I have pencil shapes in my freaking slime. Because I took my slime to school to one of the little mini cups that I showed you guys. Water lemon cups, and it was leaking, and then like and it was just leaking. Sorry guys, gotta see, but I didn't know that it was leaking, and like it fell in my book bag, but I didn't tell my mom yet because she didn't even know I took it to school, and it's all in my book bag, so my mom had to wash my book bag, but she didn't know it was in there stuff. She just washed my book bag because it's dirty. She said it was dirty in the inside and the outside. And I have all my things, so I'm gonna take it back. So here's my phone. And tell you guys to my channel. Tell your friends, your cousins, your family members. Tell all of them about my channel if you see this video. So thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll make more videos. If this video gets 10 views, I will make another one. Bye guys.